Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 10th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars. Well, I don't think this is a 3 stars, but I will explain it later. 4 stars Sudoku, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cipher Block. In Japanese, Suguru. Another one, but with 1 star. And last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one I will solve, 3 stars Sudoku. Is this really a 3 stars? No, because this one has 28 printed digits. By the way, this one will be number 7246. Yeah, 28 should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars should be, I need to be faster than 14 or maybe 15 minutes. If it's a 3 stars, a really 3 stars puzzle, then I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or is this a 0 stars puzzle? We will see, so let's get started. Almost 2 minutes passed. Okay, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 5, 9, 6. Well, and now 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in the first column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the oh, we already have a 5 here. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Then 6 and 8. Okay. Here we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. That means 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6, 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 3 missing numbers then in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 379, 379. Okay, cannot fill this yet. How about 2? Okay, 3. Come on. 3. Need a 3 there. 3. Okay. Need a 1 here. I'm thinking. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, or there. We see another 2 in the last column. No 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in the third row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row from the first row. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here, or there. We see a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Yeah. Alright. I need a 4 here. I need 6. Need to think. Come on. 4. Yeah. Need a 4 here. Come on. Need a 1 here. 1. We have a pair. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this last row are the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 and 3 in this column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. We have a 1 in this big square, so this can be 1, but we have also a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 1 and 3 cannot be in this box also. So the 1 and 3 in the last row should be there as a pair. 1 and 3. Okay, so 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. 4 and 8. We have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I need an 8 here. Okay. Okay. 1, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Yes. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So here can be 4 anymore. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And then need a 1 here. 8, 7. Yeah, I'm thinking 7. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Well, 9. Yeah, 9 and well, come on. This is taking too long. 9. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the middle column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. 3 and the 7, okay. 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 7. And I need a 6 here. Well, Cannot fill this yet. 999. Okay, 999. Okay. Well. Need a 6 here. Need a 4 here. I'm thinking. Need a 5 here. 6 and 8. Yeah. 2 and the 3. How about here? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 1, 6, 7, 8. 1, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 1 cannot be here. 1. 6, 7, 8. I need an 8 here. Well, need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in the second column, so no 1 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. That means 2 missing numbers now. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 is missing. And a 5 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for 3 should be here. Overlook this 3. So I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Okay, so here, 6, 7, 8. That means that 1 box left. Should be the 5 here. Yep, 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 5 should be here. So the 6 and the 9 are left. We have a 6 in this third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And 1 box left in the third column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 6, 7, 8. 9. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. Well, 3 missing numbers. I've told you 6, 7, and 8 are missing in this row. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this column. So this box can be 7 and 8. So 1 digit left should be the 6. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Yeah. 6, 6. Here should be the 6. Yes. 1 box left in the last column for number 8 then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers 7 and 8. Well, we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 7. Here, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. We have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Two numbers left, the 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So row between the second row, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. So here's 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Two numbers left in this row. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. 3 and 7. 1 and a 3. Oh, 1 box left in this row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. Find the 2 numbers in this big square. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes. Well. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning because I've told you 2 minutes already passed. Well, so I give this a 0 stars or a 2 stars. Anyway, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.